I love pretty fall lips, okay? And right now, I have nothing on my lips, but I'm going to show you my favorite new lip look for fall. First of all, I love these NYX liners. This one is called Need Me. It is my favorite color that they have. And I'm going to put it on for you. It's creamy and easy to apply. So simple. Just line your lips. You got to do the bottom. Fill in the sides. Make sure that you fill in the corners like this and leave this part open. Now I'm going to apply Well-To-Do lipstick, creamy lipstick by Younique. Look at that. Gorgeous. Rub it all in. Ombre look. Now we're going to use a little bit of a lip plumper. This is Hottie. This is Younique's Hottie lip plumper. It has peppermint oil in it. We're going to pop a little in the center. And girl, you ready. You got gorgeous lips and you ready for the day. Now, you go be fabulous.